Hello students, welcome to another session of online class. Today is the sixth session and today we will discuss about fractions. So let's start. Fractions. What is a fraction? A fraction is a fraction represent a part of a whole. That means ଗୋଟେ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଜିନିଷରୁ ଯଦି ଆମେ କିଛି part ସେଥିରୁ ନଉଛେ then ଆମେ ତାକୁ କହୁଛେ we take a fraction from that. In general, if we divide a number or thing in equal part, समान भागरे ताको भाग करिवा and take some part from that is known as a fraction of the whole part. ଆମେ ଯଦି ସେଥିରୁ କିଛି ଭାଗ ନବା then ଆମେ କହିବା ଯେ ଆମେ ସେଥିରୁ କିଛି fractions ନେଲେ. For example, it is a bar. If we divide this bar into 4 equal part and take 3 from that, जो रेड कलर रा मार्क हेची रेड कलर हेची तीनटा पार्ट जदि हमें सेति की पार्ट नहीं जीवा then we can say we take 3/4 of this bar and the remaining part white color रे जो पार्ट टा अछि you can say that is 1/4 तामाने हमें एथरो कोन बुझिले जे डिनोमिनेटर दैट मींस हमर जो हर ओडिया रे हमें कहतले हर इंग्लिश रे हमें कहूचे डिनोमिनेटर. This denominator says how many equal parts we have to do and the numerator says how many parts we have to take. Come to the second figure, that is let it be 4x. If we say that we take 3/4 of x, then this 3x we have to take. Now come to the third figure. Let it be your birthday cake, and if you say what is the 3/4 of this cake, then you can consider this red color 3 parts which are red colored. Come to the next slide. How fractions can be read? Fractions को हमें पढ़िबा केमिति? Fractions are read as like this. 1/2 can be called as half. 2/3 can be called as 2/3. 1/8 can be called as 1/8. 3/4 can be called as 3/4. Like that, you may say 1/10, 1/10 that can be called as 1/10. 2/15 then you can call 2/15th. Then come to another part, that is types of fraction. How many types of fractions are there and how we distinguish them? Proper fraction whose numerators are is smaller than denominator. जो भग्नांशर लब हर ठारू सान ताकू आमे कहूचे प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन and its value is always less than 1. गोटे प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन रो value always less than 1 because uh, if we divide a bar into 3 equal part and take one part, that means we are taking some part from a whole part. That means a bar can be considered as a 1 and we divide in equal 3 part, then we take one part. That means we are taking less than 1, some part, that means less than 1. So we are saying proper fractions value is always less than 1. Improper fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is bigger than denominator. Here it is called improper fraction. Mixed fraction. The fraction which has a whole part associated with a fractional part is called a mixed fraction. We can also say that mixed fraction होची improper fraction ना आउ गोटे रूप. तो देखिबा केमती सेटा. Come to this figure. Here it is 9 by 4. It is a improper fraction because numerator is greater. So it can be called as 2 whole 1 by 4. Mixed fraction को केमती पढ़ा जाए 2 whole 1 by 4. That means 2 whole means 2 complete part and 1 by 4 that is a fractional part. This figure represents 2 whole 1 by 4. Look at the figure. 2 whole means 2 complete part as you can see, and from another uh, 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 figure we are taking 1 by 4. That means from 4 equal parts we are taking 1, that is 1 by 4. So in total that is 2 whole 1 by 4. How a improper fraction converted to mixed fraction? See here, 9 by 4 is equal to 9 divided by 4. आम जाने 9 विभक्त को 4 कहले 9 हरण 4, 9 को 4 रे हरण करवा. जदि आम हरण करवा ताले आम कौन पाइबा ना 4 दुगुणे 8, 4 2s are 8, सब्ट्रैक्ट कले आम केते पाइबा 1 पाइबा. तमाने रिमाइंडर 1 बळिला. This quotient to be written here, that means in whole part, and the remainder should be written on the numerator, and the denominator is same. Denominator always remains same. So when we convert this mixed fraction to the improper fraction, then what we have to do? 4 2s are 8 plus 1. Just opposite. Here we are dividing and here we are multiplying and adding the numerator. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, that is 9, 9 by 4. So like that we are converting mixed fraction to improper and improper fraction to mix. Let's come to the next slide. Now we are we are going to discuss about like fractions, unlike fractions and unit fractions. Like fractions whose denominator are same, जार हर समान थाए से फ्रैक्शन मान को आमे लाइक फ्रैक्शन बोली कहू, माने एका प्रकार फ्रैक्शन बोली कहू. अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन whose denominators are different, जार डिनोमिनेटर अलग अलग थाए ताकू आमे कहू से माने अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन, माने एका प्रकार नुहंती. यूनिट फ्रैक्शन whose numerator is 1. If you say 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 50, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, 2600, anything. But the numerator, if the numerator is 1, then it is a unit fraction. Now come to the next part, that is calculating fraction of a number. When we say 3 by 4 of 16, that means आमे कहू जे 3 चतुर्थांश 16 ର 3 चतुर्थांश केते हबो. Then how we will calculate it? So ए 16 को रिप्रेजेंट करिया पे मु 16 टा स्टार एठी देइची, जेमती समस्त देखि पारुथिबे. Denominator says that how many equal parts to be done. केतेटा समान भाग आमु करिवार अछि सेटा आमु किए कहे डिनोमिनेटर कहे. तेणु डिनोमिनेटर कहूची 4टा इक्वल पार्ट करिया पे, तो मु एठी 4टा इक्वल पार्ट कर देली. देन ईच पार्ट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 4 स्टार्स and numerator says how many parts to be taken. That means here numerator is 3, so we take 3 parts, that means 4 4 4, that is 12. So if we understand this figure, then we can say 3 by 4 of 16 is equal to 3 by 4 into 16. Then 16 divided by 4, 16 divided by 4 into 3. तामाने 16 को आमे 4 समान भाग करिबा, डिवाइड करिबा 4 रे. देन ताकू जेतिकिटा पार्ट हमर न्यूमरेटर कहूची सेतिकी पार्ट रे मल्टीप्लाई करिबा. ताले हमर आसी जीवो कोन 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. So 3 by 4 of 16 is 12. So now come to the question part. Here are some questions for you, and hope you complete these questions by the evening and post in our group. So thank you. See you in the next class.